To help support you while using Currie's Edge, a new tab has been added to the homepage called Resources. Use this tab to get additional up-to-date information on Currie's order writing codes or helpful tools like our ebooks to help you navigate the Edge program. Materials can be accessed in one of two ways. The first way is by clicking the I button to get a preview of the document. There you can find additional features like print to print out pages as needed. The second way is by clicking the download button located next to the I button. This will enable you to save a copy of that manual to your local desktop for quick reference when you are not in Edge. Currie's Edge is proud to integrate helpful tools like Resources to help quickly assist you in ordering Currie's products. Thank you for using Currie's Edge. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.